Hey, what's up, guys? So, another editing session with me. I'm going to have you guys edit this photo with me, this branding session that I just did. So my goal is to get it from raw to edited in under 1 minute. All right, so let's check this out. So, choose my base layer here. Let's check out our color temperature. Cool it down a little bit. Looks good. Next, we'll adjust our tint. Some little green. There we go. Add some magenta to it. Exposure looks good. I like the exposure where it's at. I'm just going to tone down the highlights a bit. Let the little blur out. There we go. Let's bring the shadows up a bit. Not too much. We'll keep them where they are. We'll add some sharpness, noise reduction. Take out the purple fringing. Let's see what a vignette looks like. No, thank you. Do the enhanced color. And let's see what subject enhancer does. Ooh, that's pretty slick. I think I'm going to keep that. And then now you'll see that the subject enhancer darkened the image up a little bit more. I'm just going to go back to exposure. Actually, I'm going to go to the slider real quick and just pop that up just a little bit. And then bring color temperature down just a scotch. All right, and there it is. All right, and then for reference, before, after. From there, so there. Look at that, under a minute. So that's a final image. All right, thank you guys.